Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss what are assignment operators in Python. Before we start this video, I have one small request. If you are watching our video and if you are liking it, I cordially request you all to please subscribe to our channel, as that will motivate us to bring more videos in future. So without any delay, let's get started. Assignment operators in Python are used to assign values to variables, okay? In the previous video, we have discussed about arithmetic operators which are used to perform mathematical computations. But if you perform mathematical computations, you need to assign those values to some variables, right? For further operation or to return the result. In those cases, these assignment operators come handy. As you can see on my screen, these are the assignment operators that are available in Python. They are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, slash equal to, modulus equal to, double asterisk equal to, double oblique equal to, and equal to, or equal to, upper arrow equal to, 2 greater than equal to, and 2 less than equal to. Okay. Now in the use case you will find an example and its equivalent using arithmetic and general assignment. Okay. So when I say a equal to 15, as you are already aware, we are assigning 15 to this variable a, and that is the equivalent of what we generally do. It don't have any simpler form. When you say a plus equal to 10, that means a equal to a plus 10. That is, some value does exist in a, you are adding it with 10 and assigning the resultant to the same a variable. Similarly, a minus equal to 10 means a equal to a minus 10. That is, a has got some value, you subtract 10 from it and you assign the difference in the a variable itself. A asterisk equal to 10 is equal to a into 10. Similarly, a oblique equal to 10 means a equal to a oblique 10. And as we proceed, you can see what we have done. One is the simple assignment, then addition and assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, then division assignment, modulus division, that is you get the remainder and assign it to a variable, exponentiation assignment, float division assignment, bitwise AND assignment, bitwise OR assignment, bitwise XOR assignment, right shift and left shift. Okay. We have done enough of theory as of now. Let's go to VS Code and understand by an example. Welcome to VS Code. Here, as you can see on my screen, I have prepared some examples to tell you how do they work. So basically, first of all, in each of these cases, I have assigned 15 in this a variable, and thereafter I have performed the assignment operation, and here I have written down the answer. Though you should not be worried enough, because I will again run this code to match what we have written to what we are getting. When we say a equal to 15, and thereafter we are writing a plus equal to 10, that means a equal to a plus 10. That is, when a is equal to 15, so we are adding 15 plus 10, that is 25, and storing the resultant in the a variable itself. Similarly, a minus equal to 10, that means a equal to a minus 10. If a is 15, 15 minus 10 is basically 5. And we are assigning that 5 to the a variable itself. So we are getting 5. Similarly, product equal to is also same. If a is equal to 15, a into 10 is 150. And we are assigning the product in this a variable itself. Likewise, we are going, like you can say here, we are saying a modulus equal to 10. That is 15 modulo division 10. We are getting 5 as the remainder. And we are assigning the same remainder to this a variable and finally printing it. If I go below, you can see this bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, right shift and left shift operators. In each of this example, we are performing mathematical calculations with some number and a, and we are assigning the resultant to the a variable itself, and finally we are printing it. So let's run our code and see if the code is working fine. We will go to this terminal and we will run python 8.py, and as you can see, firstly we are getting 25, that is addition and assignment, then subtraction assignment, then product and assignment, then division and assignment, then modulo division assignment, then exponentiation and assignment, thereafter float division assignment, bitwise AND assignment, bitwise OR assignment, bitwise XOR assignment. As you can see 10, 15, 5. So we are getting 10, 15, 5. Thereafter right shift 3 and left shift 60. So we are getting as per our expectation, okay? So I hope by now the concept of assignment operators in Python is clear with you. In case you are having any doubt, I will post a link of our documentation in the description section for this video. You can go and check it out. And in case of any issue, please let us know. Let's go back to our presentation. I hope you found this video informative. In case you liked the video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, as we are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.